Okay, hello there. What I'm doing today, I'm starting a 30 to 31 day challenge because I'm trying to get back snatched. And this is something that I have done in the past and it have worked. And all I'm going to do is use activities that I would normally do in the house to help me accomplish this goal. We're going to start in the kitchen. We're going to organize things here. For some of you, you may say, this is great. But for me, I look at it, it still needs some organization. There's still some work to do. And I will show you because many of us have hidden secrets. So I'm going to start with these dishes here. You're going to do the dishes. What I'm doing, I am going to make my my dishwater to wash dishes by hand. I put a cap of bleach in here. So you can see that this water is not murky, it's not dirty with whatever coming from the food. That's what you want your water to look like. You don't want it to have oil in it. You don't want it to have be colored from coffee, you know, and all of that, because are you really getting your dishes clean? Everything is dry. I put all my things back up for the next time I need to wash dishes, clean the kitchen. You make sure you do your floors, get your baseboards and all that, and this is going to help because you see that bending I'm doing, and then when I'm down here and I'm doing all this, my arm is moving, I'm in a little squat position. That's workout. So you cleaning and you working out at the same time. So you have some lifting, you have some reaching that you're doing, and that reaching, you don't be paying attention to that reaching that you're doing, but it actually is, it's a motion in a workout. Just think about the workouts that you be doing. Then you kind of turn, you have to stretch right here sometimes because you reach back, you may do something, you know, not even thinking about it. So we don't even be thinking about those things when we are cleaning up, and it's a workout because you think about how much time it take you to clean your kitchen. And if you detail, you're going to be in that kitchen 30 minutes to an hour. We did everything, and I like to go through here on where my ice and water dispenser is on here, and I like to clean that. That's what all I used to have to do just to lose a few pounds and get back snatched.